Hello everyone, here is the Clever Idiot and this is the 5th tutorial on C programming. In this tutorial we are going to know about keywords and comments. So let's start by changing the desktop background with this picture. So these are the 32 words which has been considered as keywords in C. So what is a keyword? Keywords are the words whose meaning has already been explained to the C compiler. Confused? So let's explain, let's just understand by an example. See, there is no word named as printf here. So printf is not a keyword, whereas int and goto and others are keywords. Okay, so let's take an example. Here we use printf, and since printf is not a keyword, so we have to define the meaning of printf to the C compiler, and that's why we have included this header file, that is standard input output header file, in which the meaning of printed has been explained. But if you use a keyword like int, then we don't have to include anything because the compiler already knows the meaning of int, that it's an integer. Okay. So the keyword are the words whose meaning has already been explained to the C compiler, and we don't need to include anything to explain the C compiler that what is the meaning of this keyword. Okay. So whenever you will use keyword, you don't have to describe the meaning of that keyword. Now the most important point is you can't make a variable name with the keyword name. As we know that goto is a keyword name. Okay, so you can make a variable name as go, that's okay, but you can't make a variable name as goto. Why? Because the compiler already knows the function of goto. Now if you define goto as a variable name, then we are actually redefining the definition of goto, and the compiler will get confused between the predefined definition of goto and the definition which we are defining here. So it is a good practice to not use keywords as a variable name. So this is all about keywords. Now let's talk about comments. So comments should be enclosed within / asterisk and */. You can write your comment here within it, that is, this program will print hello world. Okay, yeah, so your comment should be within / asterisk and */. Now the comments are not necessary, but it is a good practice to begin with a comment because it will give a description of your comment. The person who don't know about this program, that what the program will going to do, the person will get understand by reading this bit of comment, that is, this program will print hello world. Okay, so it is a good practice to write comments in your program. Okay, now you can write comments anywhere in your program, like beside your statement, like this is another comment. Okay, also you can write within your statement, like this is example. Okay, like that, whatever it is. Now what will happen? The compiler start reading the code from top to bottom. When the compiler comes to first line, it will ignore it because it's a comment. Okay, the compiler ignore the comment and not execute it. Now the compiler will come to the second line and read the standard input output header file. Then the compiler will come to main, then the compiler will come to printf. Now the compiler read printf as printf hello world. Still the statement is not completed yet because there is no any termination indication. A semicolon is needed to terminate a statement. So the compiler continues the reading and it finds a comment. So it ignores it and find a statement termination, that is a semicolon. Again the compiler will find a comment and it will ignore it too. So the compiler will only print hello world and not these all lines. Let's check it. Say hello world. Okay, now you can write anything within a comment, like printf this is another world. Okay, now if I will run it, then the compiler will print hello world and this is another world, both. See, hello world and this is another world. Now what if I will make the second line as comment by / asterisk and */. Now the compiler will ignore this bit of code and will only print hello world. Let's check it. See, only hello world, because this code is now a comment and the compiler should ignore it. Okay, so this is all about comment. Now we should know about some properties of comments. Let's discuss it. First of all, you can't create a nested comments. Now what is the meaning of nested comment? Nested comment means comments within a comments. For example, this is first comment. Okay, now what I am doing is I am making another comment within a comment, that is star asterisk, sorry, forward slash asterisk. This is second comment, and I just close it by asterisk and forward slash. Now what happened here? The compiler will see that yeah, the comment is started, and it will ignore the another comment starting point, because the compiler will only take the first comment starting point. Okay, and as it gets the ending point of comment, it will ignore the second ending point, and so the last word is not treated as comment and it will show an error. Let's check it. Yeah, it's an error. So you can't create a nested comment, means comment within a comment. Okay, and the last point is, if you have a single line comment, then you can use double forward slash instead of forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash. Okay, you can use a double forward slash to make a single line comment, like this is a single line comment. Okay, but you can make a multiple line comment by using forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash, like this is paragraph change a multiple, then enter line comment. Okay, so you can create a single line comment by using double forward slash, but you can't create a multiple line comment using double forward slash. And you can create a single line comment as well as multiple line comment by using forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash. So this is all about comment and keywords. Hopefully you understood it. If you have any doubt, just comment below. If you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and be a clever idiot. Thank you.